In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple files and folders in Google Drive efficiently. Managing your documents and organizing your workspace can sometimes be a challenge, but by leveraging the capabilities of Google Drive, we can streamline this process. So, let's walk through these steps together in a clear and straightforward manner to make sure you're able to do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account that you want to work from. Once you're in, you're greeted by the familiar interface. Now, to begin creating multiple files or folders, you're looking for the New button. It's prominently displayed on the left-hand side of your interface. Clicking this button will offer you a drop-down menu that shows different options like folder, file upload, and more. To create a new folder, simply select Folder from this menu. A prompt will emerge asking you to name your folder. Be sure to choose something descriptive, especially if you plan to store related files in it. Once you've entered a suitable name, hit Create, and your folder will appear in your drive. If you need to create multiple folders at once, it's helpful to plan out their names and purposes ahead of time. Unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't natively support creating multiple folders simultaneously with different names through its menu. However, you can easily replicate your folder structures in your computer's file explorer and then drag and drop them into Drive, where they will upload and settle in as they are. It's a massive time saver. Moving on to creating files, go back to the New button. Here, under Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, you have options to create different types of files. Choose the format according to your needs. For example, select Google Docs for text documents or Google Sheets for spreadsheets. Each choice you make here brings you to a new tab or window where you can start working on your document immediately. Name each file as you create it so it's easy to find later. To expedite the process of creating multiple documents, you might want to duplicate existing files if they have a similar structure or content. Simply right-click on an existing document within your drive, choose Make a Copy, and rename it to suit your purpose. This duplicate feature can be highly efficient, especially when setting up templates for repetitive tasks. Always remember to utilize Google Drive's search functionality when looking for the files or folders you've just created. It's powerful and can save you from sifting through extensive lists. That's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and organize multiple files and folders in your Google Drive, ultimately streamlining your digital workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to try these steps on your own to see how much more productive you can be. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.